Welcome to Steleo.
So it's Avantika's birthday today, and we've got a surprise for her. It's something she really wanted for so long, and we worked together with her mama, with Smita auntie, to get this for her, right? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna call Smita auntie and say, delivery, come get your delivery, okay? Okay, I'm gonna call her now. Alright, so we just called and we said there is a delivery near the gate.
Stella, Leo.
Happy birthday, Avantika! Yeah!
That big one. Hold it. Big one.
That's also for Avantika, yeah? Happy birthday, Avantika!
He is here.
Woohoo!
Turn this off. Maybe if I turn it again like that. That's so long. Put it like that. Big bow surprise! You want it! Big bow surprise! One. We have big bow surprise! Mama, look, I like my one likes burgers, and Alicia's one likes shake. Burger! Okay, I like burgers too. Another llama corn! Oh my god, look how many things are inside! Oh my god! I like you! Let's get our lids and take off the bows. Come on. Let's get the lids and take off the bows. Yeah. Before I open up all of my surprises, I'm going to put my teeth in heart on my puppy Rainbocorn. Puppy. I called it puppy. They are humongous! Oh, they are! Look, these ones have packets! How do we even put the Big Bow surprise, or how do we even open like these pieces? I don't even know how to put the Big Bow surprise things on. Just think how you do it for our Rainbocorn, like the one that we already have. Yep. I don't think I want to open the Rainbocorns yet. I'll put on your sequence later. Oh my god, look at Bobo lion! That's so cute! What is this? What do you think this is? And I'm gonna see if I can turn it down. Oh, that's so cute! I got a bracelet! Mine has a little unicorn on it. This is so cute. It's so cute. Oh, Olivia, did you see your collector's guide? I got stickers! My one's name is Bobby, and your one's name is Bowie. Bobby is a cute name. Bobby Banana. You can check out the collector's guide while I'm opening up all these fun surprises. Wait, did I get pencils? I think I got pencils. Glitter pens! I got this. Why don't I just put my surprises in there? Okay, this one definitely feels like stickers, just like the ones I want to have on. Yep, there's stickers. Whoa! These are in bow shapes. Oh, and there's two. Okay, this one definitely feels like the slap band, and I want to try out the slap band mod. But this is also really nice. Whoa, that's so cool! Look at my one! Look, I got the same one. But I got orange. What is yeah. Oh! Yeah, I'm gonna slap my slap band on. What? The last Christmas surprise! Another one! Yay! We have a chance of getting the whole collection! I'm gonna go get the last one. You start opening it, okay?
Did you like it?